All right, everybody. Today we're going to be taking a look at the TaiChi. I guess that's how you say it. I'm not sure. Mini drone. It's one of these ones with the gimmick. You know, a lot of these companies, they'll make these little quadcopters, and a lot of them are the same. But this one has the, like, infrared gimmick going on where you put your hand up and it'll go this way or that way, you know. It's just a gimmick, but we'll open the box and see what's in here. And here's what's in the box right here. Very nice manual. Very nice. I mean, this manual is very well written. You should be able to get this thing going just by scanning over this manual pretty quickly. It's all laid out for you from top to bottom. It even has a troubleshooting guide in the back. So that looks good. It has a 300 milliamp hour battery, which I'm actually surprised the battery's this big for this thing. I was expecting it to have a little bit smaller one, maybe a 250 or a 200, but JJRC put a 300 in there, which is nice. Here's the transmitter. And just like the review I did the other day, there's a lot of quadcopters that have this style of transmitter. The B-Whoop B03 comes to mind. Yeah, a lot of them have that. This is laid out. It's pretty easy. This is the flips. That's the takeoff, the land, the speed, and the headless mode. And this is the gimmick switch, the little infrared thing that'll come on. I'll show it to you in a couple of minutes. And then you got your controller sticks. Here's the quadcopter. There's the four little infrared spots on it, so you can do the hand motions on it. And then here's the bag. Here's the charger. There's the screwdriver. And there's the two spare props. That's what you get with it, 2. Not 4, but 2. So it's pretty protected in there, so I don't think that you'll ever tear these up. I mean, be honest with you, it'd be pretty hard to, even if you smashed it like into the wall. No matter which way you would hit it, even if you hit on the side of the wall, you're not going to be able to get to the prop. So you're going to have a hard time tearing this thing up. Let's put it that way. Let's put the battery in real quick and weigh it up. "28 grams right on the nose with the battery." Let's just fire it up and spin it around here a little bit. All right, let's check it out. See what kind of flight time we get. It binds automatically. You don't have to do the old up and down with the transmitter. Let's just see if it has the calibration deal. There it goes. Down and to the right is the calibration. Let's just take off. Okay, it goes up pretty high on the takeoff. You saw that, right? Okay. Right into the light. But it's still going. It's still going strong. Let's check the rates. There's the second rate. There's the third rate. There's the first rate. Let's check the flips out. Okay, the flips are good, nice and tight. No, it steers great, guys. It's just like that other one I did the other day. That Snap Tame flies the same way. Another great one for the kiddies to learn on. Great winter fun. And then it's got them guards to block you from the cabinetry. Okay, let me just try this gimmick thing and get it over with. I want to put it down in the first rate to do that because I don't want it taken off on me. We're going to try the gimmick. Whoa. Now, I pressed the back. I thought it was supposed to go forward when I did that. Oh, I don't know. Okay, that one works. Go to that side. Okay, that works. Go in that side. But now when I hit in the back, it wants to go like... Okay, there it goes. I must not have had it right on the money there. Now, I'm going to go try to run into that wall to see if it'll actually stop and come back to me. There it does. So that's pretty cool. So it's kind of like obstacle avoidance. Actually, yeah. It actually is like obstacle avoidance. If you didn't want to do the play around with the hand gestures, you could just use it for obstacle avoidance because it's gonna stop whenever it gets toward the wall. See, it just pulls back. So that's pretty cool. That's an added feature. Okay. An added bonus, obstacle avoidance on a Mini here. Yeah. Yeah, even when it sees something there over there kind of close, it'll come back. So I'm turning that off. Okay, we're getting rid of that because I'm flying a little bit too close to the stuff here. So, okay, it's turned off. I'm just making sure. Yeah, it flies great, man. It handles real nice. You know, just like that Snap Tame one, same thing. Same thing. Flies the same way. This thing was a little cheaper than that, also. I think this thing was only like, I'll put a link in there, but I think it was $16.99, something around in there, where the Snap Tame one was like $36, which I thought was a little bit overpriced, but it did work well. It's all about what you're into, but this one does have the obstacle avoidance boat. Oh, whoa, Nelly. Let me get that sucker turned around here. Yeah, flies great, guys. Really nice, very stable. You can see it's just barely drifting a little bit. Yeah, nice deal for the money. Okay, it does the flips in all the directions too. Just like the other one did. Oh, there goes the light. I'll put the flight time little clock in there so we'll know what the flight time is. I'll try to drag it out here as long as I can. Yeah, good flyer, man. I don't know how many $16 or $17 quadcopters have obstacle avoidance, but this one does, okay? There it goes. As JJRC would say, it's a real beauty. Okay, so there you go. It's a beauty. The JJRC TaiChi. It's a real classic. You know, I can have some tea because I have to go out and shoot a video outside, which I don't want to do, but I got to do it anyway. Okay. All right, guys. Have a nice day.